Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to quickly do your MetaMask crypto tax with Koinly full guide. So now let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is download MetaMask. So now in your device, open Koinly and log into your account. And after that, go to wallets. Now you need to simply head over to MetaMask and then copy your link address. Then go back to Koinly page. Then click on add wallet or exchange. Paste that link in the search bar and this will filter all the blockchains that can be in the format. So now you can select all the networks that you use. Just click on it and then select import. Once you've selected all the blockchains, Koinly will import your MetaMask transaction automatically. And that's how to quickly do your MetaMask crypto tax with Koinly. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.